Welcome to the Sherakol 132 kV substation. The substation was inaugurated on 8 December 2014. This substation has installed capacity of 100 MVA using two number of 50 MVA 132 by 33 kV power transformer to cater the load. Our main incoming source a double circuit Lakshmikantapur Sherakol 132 kV, and we also deliver power to Behala 132 kV substation as a switching circuit. This substation has two numbers of 100 kVA earthing transformer and two numbers 315 kVA 33 by 0.415 kV station transformer to cater auxiliary load through ACDB. Installed with two numbers. L&T make 415 volt ACB with bus coupler for 132 kV and 33 kV. 220 volt DC circuit are powered up by 220 volt charger via DCDB and communications like PLCC. Point-to-point connection by 48 volt charger via 48 volt DCDB with well-maintained backup battery bank of 107 numbers and 24 numbers cells respectively. The total illumination controlled by MLDB including DC emergency light. For reliable transmission, there are one number main bus and one number transfer bus in both 132 kV side and 33 kV side. Our 132 kV and 33 kV control and relay panels are equipped with multifunctional MICOM numeric relay with disturbance recorder and static relays, digitalized metering. Also, we have data recording system through offline SCADA via RTO panel.
We throw this power from this bus at 132 kV level to Behala substation. After that, the remaining part of this power we step down and cater the load to 33 kV level.
The substation is responsible to deliver power to very important 33 kV substation, namely Sherakol, Mograhat and Amtola. Through these 33 kV substations, many prestigious bulk consumer like IFB, Amtola Air, Green Ply, Century Ply, Globesyn, Link Pen, Breathing Earth Resort, Merlin Ibiza and many more villages surrounding this substation. There are so many future bays like 132 kV hot rail bay, 33 kV PDP, 33 kV Beliachondi and most important Baroipur Sherakol 132 kV double circuit will be served in near future, whose construction works have already been started. So, in future, this substation will play a vital role for power utility to interconnect to major part of South 24 Parganas to meet up the power reliably and flexibly. The switchyard is surrounded with reliable fire hydrant system installed with 40 HP pump motor set and backup DG set ready to deliver 96 cubic meter per hour, and also have fire extinguisher of dry chemical, carbon dioxide, foam type and sand bucket of sufficient number and in-house smoke detector system. Individually, safety is maintained with proper guideline through various safety boards along with safety equipment like helmet, hand gloves, safety shoes, gumboot, raincoat, safety ladder, searchlight, safety belt and HV detector. Proper first aid is maintained for medical emergency. Working environment in substation deals with so many technical aspects of different equipment to maintain the proper healthiness of power utility and reliability. So many advanced technical tests like DCRM, tan delta, Megger, earth resistance measurement, CB timer, infrared ultrasound, healthiness scanning of LA and various insulator strings, hotspot checking, VDV of oil and so many periodical routine maintenance including line patrolling as per requirement. Different clamp connectors, handwear fittings, conductors, cable and other tidbit items are properly arranged and kept in the store of these substations to mate up for routine maintenance and emergency work. Various records, registers having all sorts of technical data, reading, store materials, incidents are also maintained. Well-furnished control room, beautiful garden, substation illumination, and total internal necessary requirements are properly maintained in this substation. In this way, Sherakol 132 kV substation has got its identity in WBAC TCL.